Hey folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be cooking an epic plancha cheeseburger. I've got these epic Turner & George Black Label burgers, and I'm going to cook them simply on a hot plate with a high heat and get them charred up and then steam them with a bit of beer to create a really nice cheeseburger. Let's go. So, chipotle, cheese, bacon burger. This is going to be nice and spicy. Let's see how it tastes. Oh wow. I love a good burger, but that is sensational. The beef is really nicely aged. It's full of flavour, and with a nice bit of spice, cheese and bacon. Wow. I'd say that is a pretty damn perfect burger. Cheers.